All right, guys. So a quick breakdown on the BTC USD, which is Bitcoin. So the reason why I told you guys you could get ready to buy, you could either buy when it break the high, or you could buy when it retests just a little bit, or you could even buy now, meaning put some money in your Bitcoin wallet, probably on deriv. Most of you guys are accustomed to deriv, so probably you could put it on your account and transfer it over um into your Bitcoin wallet. So for example, you could go here when you deposit your money onto your derivative account. You guys know it automatically will come into this account here, which is a US account. What you could then do is click on transfer. What is this happening? Hold on. Meantime, it's loading. You can click on transfer. When you click on transfer, what you will see come up, I might have to do about this video, this is crazy. You will see transfer from, which would you will put this wallet. Let's say I have $10 in the wallet, you put this wallet, then you will see from, which is this, then to, which is your Bitcoin wallet automatically, and then you will put the $10 below, transfer to your wallet. And I gotta stop this. Right. So you will have from your US account, which is this. Let's say it was $10 there, and then you will have here where it have two. You will actually click here and you will put your Bitcoin wallet. You will then select. I have reached the maximum transfer. I was actually doing this and showing somebody else, so that's the reason why. I'm sorry. So then you will put, like, let's say you have $10 in your US dollars wallet. You will actually put $10 here, because remember you're transferring that $10 to your Bitcoin wallet. I do not have $10 there. I have 98 cents. But if it was $10, then it will calculate it out into Bitcoin for you, and then you just click on transfer and it will go in your Bitcoin wallet, and that's it. You just leave it until you see Bitcoin continue going up. So if you have $10, by the time you look back next week, it might be $12 or $14 or whatever, and that's a simple way that you could invest in Bitcoin without trading it, without giving it to a company to trade for you. Just put it in any Bitcoin wallet, and it doesn't have to be on derivative. It can be on your BitPay, your blockchain wallet, your any one of those Bitcoin app. You just want to have it in Bitcoin, and when this actually push up and it bursts or probably go to an all-time high, then you will get some money on there without having to do anything. So that's just a simple way on how to invest in Bitcoin. So the reason why I was telling you guys that I believe that it will go up, we could see that it did that head and shoulder here. Right here is the shoulder. Sorry, let's see. Yeah, right here is the shoulder. Boom, shoulder. We have the head here. That's the next shoulder, and then we're going up. A reverse head and shoulder indicate that you could have like a big move to the upside, especially when you're in an uptrend already. It's just a saying that it's gonna continue in the uptrend. Then we also have here where it actually reversed to the 50 line here. Reverse to the 50 line here. So we tap the 50 line. It also did a equity grab, as you can see. Here is the support levels is these two line here. It broke support just a little bit and then it continued, which means it actually grabbed stop losses and it react from the 50 zone. So that's a great indication that it will continue in the buy, and it's on the daily. So this is just a long-term investment. We know, so you go check back every week or ever so often to see how much your money has a reach. All right, so that's just a quick breakdown on Bitcoin and how to invest in Bitcoin without giving anybody to invest for you.